Got an old couch gathering dust in the garage? Or maybe that treadmill has officially become a very expensive clothes rack? Listen up, Coquitlam. If you're a resident receiving the city's curbside collection service, you don't have to haul that heavy stuff to the dump yourself. The city of Coquitlam has a program designed to take those big, awkward items right from your curb. But there are some very specific rules you need to follow if you want them to actually take it away. I'm your host from LocalFellas, and today we're breaking down the Coquitlam large item pickup program so you can clear the clutter without the headache. First things first. Who is eligible? This program is for residents who already receive the city's curbside collection service. Here is the deal on the numbers. You are allowed up to 4 large household items per year. The year runs from July 1st to June 30th. You've got options on how to use those credits. You can put out all 4 items at the same time, once per year, or you can spread them out, putting out 1, 2, or 3 items at different times, up to a maximum of 4 times per year. How do you get on the list? You can't just throw a fridge on the curb and hope for the best. You must schedule it. You have 3 ways to do it. 1. Call Waste Connections of Canada at 604-636-3521. 2. Email Waste Connections of Canada. 3. Fill out the online request form on the city website. Once your request has been received and reviewed, Waste Connections will contact you to confirm your collection date. Pro tip: make note of this date. If you miss your scheduled collection day, it still counts toward your 4-item limit for the year. Now let's talk about the gotchas, the rules that might result in your item being left behind. The plastic wrap rule. This is a big one. If you are tossing a mattress, box spring, futon mattress, mattress topper, or even a crib mattress, it must be wrapped and sealed in clear plastic. If it isn't, they won't touch it. The weight limit. Each item has a maximum weight restriction of 70 kilograms. That's 150 pounds. If the crew can't safely lift it, it will not be collected. Electronic size matters. Starting October 6, 2025, the program includes electronics, but acceptable items must be larger than 20 inches long, by 12 inches wide, by 10 inches high. Think TVs, monitors, or printers. Smaller items are not accepted and should be taken to the United Boulevard Recycling and Waste Center. Timing and placement. Items must be out by 7:30 a.m. on your scheduled day. But don't be too eager. City bylaws say you can't put items out earlier than the night before. The no-go zone. Crews will not access private property to collect an item. Your items must be at the curbside, ensuring they do not block the sidewalk or traffic. The hard number list. There are several items the city won't take at all. This includes air conditioners, bags of garbage, tires, car parts, carpets or rugs, construction and demolition waste, like drywall or wood, fences, glass, mirrors, propane tanks, and toilets or bathtubs. If you've got appliances like washers or stoves, or even large gym equipment like treadmills and rowers, this program is a lifesaver. Just remember to schedule it first. Be sure to check the City of Coquitlam website for the full list of accepted items, or just click the link in our description. The link is right there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to LocalFellas for more hyper-local tips to make your life in Metro Vancouver easier. This information is accurate as of April 5th, 2026. Always check the city website for details or updated info.